Oh my god, Anissa, keep dropping shit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just going to be another eye makeup tutorial using another one of Jaclyn Hill and Morphe's collaboration, The Vault. This one is going to be Bling Boss. This is what it looks like. Now, I will say I have tried to sit down and film this video before, but the look that I filmed I wasn't in love with, and I was like, oh no, I'm gonna have to try this again. So I'm gonna try something different. I think I just tried to put too many colors in the look and it just didn't work out. So I have another eye look in mind and I'm gonna go more that route. So that's why, you know, Rockstar has some brush marks and then Sparks has some brush marks as well. But overall, I like the colors of the palette. They look pretty nice, so we'll just see how this one turns out. This time, hopefully I don't go too overboard with my look, but we'll keep it fun. So the first color I'm going to go into is this shade here called Hush Hush. I'm just going to take it on a Profusion brush. We're going to use that as our transition color. Okay, how to change my lip color real quick because it was actually bothering me. But, so I just took Hush Hush and I'm just blending that into my transition area, whatever you want to call it. The next shade I'm going to take is this color up here, which I think is called Mystic. And I'm just going to take it lightly on a Morphe M576. And we're going to blend this into the crease. The next shade I'm going to take is Sparks. I'm going to take that on a R39 brush. And we're going to also blend this into the crease, keeping it fairly low, not as high as the Mystic color.
Thought I found a way out, but you never go away. So I guess I gotta stay now. Oh, I hope someday I'll make.
Oh my gosh, that's really good. That's a cute color. That is a great color. And I'm just gonna go back in, what did I have? Mystic, just a little bit more. And just blend those two shades together. The next shade I'm going to take is Rockstar. And we are going to blend this in the outer corner.
Get out of here, even if it takes all night or 100 years. Need a place to hide, but I can't find one near.
Okay, so the next shade I'm going to take is this one down here called Ballsy. And I'm just taking it on the dual-ended Profusion brush. And crap, we're gonna put this in the inner corner of the eye, leaving a space in between here. Okay, that one didn't apply as well as I thought it would. this color doesn't really move. It doesn't stick to where it needs to stick. So let's see. Yeah, I don't like this color. Sorry, Ballsy, but I need a new one. So I'm gonna try Bling Bling up here on the same perfusion brush.
Feel alive outside. I can't find my feet.
Okay, that's a little bit better. It doesn't pick up from the brush. Like, that's annoying. Let's try another one. Both of these aren't working how I want them to work. Don't get me wrong. They're both gorgeous, gorgeous colors. They're just not applying how I want them to apply on my eyelid. I literally have to go in several times. I don't know if you're able to tell, but I went in several times into Bling Bling and nothing really was on the brush. It didn't really just pan out the way I wanted it to. So those two colors, I'll give another shot, but for right now, they're just not my cup of tea. So I'm gonna go in, moving on, I'm gonna go into this gorgeous purple color here on a flat e.l.f. brush. Okay, there's definitely product, so I'm gonna go very lightly because I don't know how this is gonna pan out. Okay, cool. Okay, this shade is good. I like this shade. Product definitely came up on the brush, so. And I'm just putting this color in the middle where we didn't apply any product. All right. So then I'm going to go back in to Sparks, this color right here, on the R39 brush, and we're just going to blend it out.
Tear me to pieces, skin and bone. Hello, welcome home.
And then I'm going to go back into Mystic. And just going to blend, oops, everything out here. I'm actually going to try applying Ballsy, which is this shade right here, with my finger instead of a brush. I mean, it's super creamy. It feels nice, but just, I don't know why I did that. I'm just gonna tap slightly over the gem color shade. Why do I keep doing this? The gem color shade. Okay. With the finger, it is better. It just sucks that I have to use my finger. I'd rather use a brush, but because I feel like a brush gives you, my finger, it sucks that it applies better with your finger than it does with a brush. Me personally, I like using a brush rather than my finger because, for one, my finger doesn't have that much control to where I want it to go, and that really just isn't my cup of tea. So I would rather prefer it to work on a brush, and then unfortunately it's not working how I would like it to work, but it's okay. Everything can't be perfect, right? Right. Take a little bit more of gem and just slightly build up that purple color, just patting, little pats. Alright, so then I'm going to go back in with Rockstar and just lightly tap over that purple. Kind of blending those shades together. Okay, so I actually decided not to put on lashes because I totally forgot that I'm going to dinner tonight with my boyfriend's parents, and I actually have to leave here in like 2 minutes. So I just threw on some mascara, and then we're going to finish the lower lash line. I'm going to dip into Hush Hush.
Walking out of town, looking for a better place.
And then I'm going to take Sparks on a flat e.l.f. brush and run this as tight to the lash line as possible. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Mystic, and we're going to run this under there to blend it out a little bit. And then I'm going to dip into, I'm going to try this again, I'm going to dip into Ballsy. And I'm going to take my Morphe M168 brush. See, like nothing really comes up. Like, okay, let's see. Alright, so let's talk. Overall, oh crap. So this is the look that I created with the Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette. This one right here. I love the colors. I think they're really gorgeous, and I love that they're all purple in a sense, or like based off of a purple hue, which I really like, and you can definitely create a look out of all these colors. And this, honestly, this reminds me of like cotton candy. Cotton candy eye look, but oh well. So as I was saying, I really like the colors in here, although I did have a couple issues with Ballsy and Bling Boss. Overall, the palette, I liked it really well. The last time I tried to do this look, I did use this color right here, and this one was also it worked out. Like the pigment, I did one swipe and that bitch was on there, and I was like, oh yes honey, this is gonna be a great look. And then I fucked it up and decided to put that all over my eyelid, and I looked like a damn raccoon. So that's the reason why I had to start over. But I really like the look that I created with this. As I mentioned, you can definitely do a lot of looks with this. I feel like if you even did maybe a light look with just Hush Hush, and then you could put, you know, one of these shimmers on your lid, or anything that you really want to do. But yeah, the only negative thing I have to say about this palette is the Ballsy and Bling Boss shades were just not sticking to the brush. When I applied them to my eyelid, they weren't moving, they weren't sticking to where I needed them to stick. They just weren't doing anything that I liked and that I imagined that the shades would do. So with the brush, no. With the finger, I felt like it was a little bit better, but still overall not very happy with those two shades. Overall, with the palette, I am very happy. So far, I've tried 2 out of the 4 palettes that she has in the fall collection, and I've liked both of them that I've tried so far. So I've tried Bling Boss and then Armed and Gorgeous. I freaking love that palette. And so far, so good. I'm excited to try the other 2, but really that's only my critique and my review is just those 2 colors, which is kind of sad because if I can recall, the swatches turned out really well. And if you didn't see my swatches, they will be in my previous video. I will definitely link that in the bottom bar below so you can see all the swatches of all 4 palettes. You guys, I'm going to end this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up. That way I know you guys like these types of videos. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.